In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Microsoft Loop table to Excel. If you manage project plans, task lists, or lightweight databases in Loop, exporting to Excel is a great way to analyze, filter, and share your data with people who prefer spreadsheets. First, open Microsoft Loop. You can use the standalone Loop app in your browser or access a Loop component embedded in Microsoft Teams or Outlook. Make sure you're signed in with the correct work or school account so you can see the right workspace and pages. If you're working in a collaborative space, it's a good idea to confirm you have permission to view and export the content. Next, navigate to the page or message that contains the table you want to export. In Loop, a table looks like a grid with column headers at the top and rows of data beneath. Before you export, take a moment to review the table. Clean up any placeholder rows, check that dates and numbers are formatted the way you want, and confirm column names are clear. This quick review helps your Excel file look polished right from the start. Now, hover your mouse near the left edge of the table. You'll see a small six-dot icon appear, often called the action menu or handle. This is where Loop groups table-specific actions. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor slightly up or down along the table's left margin until it appears. Exporting works best on desktop. If you're on mobile, switch to a desktop browser for the most reliable experience. Click that six-dot icon to open the menu, then choose Export to Excel from the drop-down. If the option isn't visible, make sure you're interacting with a standard table component rather than another layout like a board or checklist, and try clicking directly inside the table first to bring the focus to it. A small dialog will appear indicating that your export is being prepared. After a moment, the Excel file will generate and open. Depending on your organization settings, it may open in Excel for the web in a new browser tab or download and open in the desktop Excel app. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the site just this once so Excel can launch smoothly. When the file opens, scan the first row to confirm your headers are correct, then glance through a few rows to ensure dates, checkboxes, and tags exported as expected. Rich text may come through as plain text, which is normal. At this point, you can save the workbook to your preferred location and share it with your team. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, your loop table is ready for deeper analysis in Excel.